Hello and welcome to Reema's Garden. I am Reema Gopalan. So in this video we will be propagating ZZ plant. Now there is just one thing I want you to know when it comes to propagation of ZZ plant. It is very easy, just like all other plants, but it is a slow growing plant. Okay, so it will take a long time, and even from the places where you have cut for the plant to grow again, it will take time. So if you like this perfect look and you do not want to disturb it, I would say don't go for it. Okay, just remember that it is a very slow growing plant. Okay, now here we go. I'm taking a cutting, I'm placing it in water. I'm just removing the leaf, 2 leaves. They say it can be propagated from leaf as well, so I'm not throwing this away, I'm just putting it in the water back again, and we'll see if it grows. Similarly, from this side I'm going to take a cutting. Maybe the camera angle you won't be able to see. There is another cutting that I have taken. Again I'm removing the bottom 2 leaves. I'm placing it in water, and I am placing these 2 leaves as well in water. Now we have ZZ stems. They don't have much, but the point is the stems have started breaking, which means it will very soon have roots from here. Same thing with this one. See, the stem has started breaking, which means the roots will develop. Can you see the breakage? These are the root developments. It's very thin whitish hair here. The leaves are developing roots faster than the stems. So we put them back. Hi there. So the last time we had seen that this young leaves, the leaves had a good growth of roots, but however the stem hadn't had roots back then, and now you can see evidently the wonderful root growth. So now is a good time to put them in the soil, or you can wait for another 10 days, let them be in water, and then you can put them in the soil. Either ways it's fine. Yeah. Please remember, ZZ is a very slow growing plant. For these roots to grow, it took almost 25 days. The leaves were faster, but the stem needed almost 20-25 days to grow. Okay, thank you.